Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. And before we start this video, I have a small favor to ask, and that's please hit that like and subscribe button and turn on those notifications so that you can be the first one to catch my newest content. So with that being said, let's hop into today's video and see what it's all about. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the boot logo on your Junsun head unit with any image that you want. So as you can see up here in this corner, a couple months ago, I already made a video showing you how to change the boot logo with the pre-installed ones that come with the head unit when you purchase it. Now, throughout the last couple of months, I had people hit me up and they were like, hey, I want to change this to a different image. How do I do that? So I did some digging and I found out that it's actually fairly easy. Now, the only thing I will throw out before I get into the nitty-gritty is there are certain steps you have to take, and if you skip one, it may not work. So I recommend you watch this whole tutorial to show you how to properly install whatever image it is to your Junsun head unit. So with that being said, I am done running my mouth, so let's get right into it and let me show you how it's done. First, you're going to need a thumb drive. Once you have a thumb drive, you're going to have to format it. I did a quick format on it. What this does is it pretty much resets it back to factory settings when you purchased it. Keep in mind it will erase everything. Once it has been formatted, I will then open the thumb drive back up. Now, once the thumb drive is open up, I'm going to select the image. For this tutorial, I'm going to select this image right here. I'm going to open it up real quick for y'all. This is the one. This is what you're going to see here in a little bit on my radio. It is a PNG file. Now you can copy and paste or just drag it over to the thumb drive. Once it's on the thumb drive, I'm just going to expand this real quick. Just to show you, the dimensions are 1280 by 720. I tried some other dimensions, it didn't work. So I guess the magic number is 1280 by 720. And again, the type doesn't really matter because I did play around with it. But what I used was a PNG file for this. So with that being said, now let's hop into the truck and upload this image onto the radio. Next, you're gonna have to take the thumb drive and plug it into the USB port or cable extension, wherever yours is located at. Mine is located behind the glove box. Okay, so here I'm just gonna show you with the thumb drive plugged in that the image is not visible at the moment. So to get there, it's just like anything else. Go to common, go to boot logo, put the pin 5678 in, and select OK. And then again, I just want to show you that the only ones that are uploaded are the ones that come from the factory, already preloaded. All these right here. Again, you don't see my image. Next, I'm going to select search just to show you. Search icon. There we go. And nothing. So now I'm going to show you how to upload this into your local drive. So select home, then go to apps, then go to file manager, then go to USB 1, what is the thumb drive for me. Might be something different for you. Scroll down, make sure the image is uploaded. There it goes, Mac PNG. I'm gonna select it and press down for a second. Then select copy. Then after that, I'm gonna go to the local drive and paste it. I'm not putting it in the folder, I'm just pasting it straight to the local drive. Then I'm gonna scroll down and just make sure you paste it or copy it over. And there it goes, Mac PNG. Nice. Next, I'm going to take the thumb drive and I'm going to remove it just to show you that when we search for this image now, that is on the actual local drive and is not on there because of the thumb drive. So once you pull that out and remove it, select back, then select settings, then go to car infotainment, then go to common, then go to boot logo, type in 5678 for the pin, and then select OK. And then click search, and the image should pop up. And there you go. Now to set that, all you're gonna do is select it, and then sure to update, sure, OK. Now I'm gonna wait till it says update success. Then I'm gonna select home. Then I'm gonna turn the truck off, open the door, shut the door, and then start it back up and wait till the actual image loads up. All right, there you go. I just showed you how to upload any image or custom image as a boot logo to your Junsun head unit. Now, if you liked the video, do me a favor, give me that thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be one of the first ones to get my newest content. Other than that, YouTube, that's it for now. Until next time, take it easy.